Across the United States, people depend on their vehicles for so much more than just travel. From the family SUV to the weekend boat, or even vital machinery for work, we get the importance, both the sentimental and the economic value. Hello, road adventurers and vehicle aficionados. Welcome to TruckSpot Logistics. We're your trusted partner in bridging the distance between your automotive dreams and your home. Today, we're focusing on an essential yet often understated aspect, the paperwork necessary for a seamless vehicle transportation experience. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's embark on this journey together. Picture this: you've done your research, chosen a top-rated carrier, and now, the day's finally here, your vehicle's arrival day. But amidst the excitement, one crucial thing can make or break your experience: your documentation. So, why are these papers so pivotal? Legal obligations. Firstly, the law mandates it. From state to state, regulations can differ, but having the right documents ensures you're always on the right side of the law. Protection against damages. Next, consider them as your vehicle's armor. Documents, especially the bill of lading, are proof of your vehicle's condition before and after transport. If any dings or scratches appear during transit, your documents ensure you're covered, ensuring smooth transit and delivery. Lastly, think of documents as the golden key, the one that unlocks a hassle-free transport journey. With the right papers, your vehicle sails smoothly from pickup to drop-off, without any hitches. It's simple. Proper documentation means peace of mind. And here at TruckSpot Logistics, we're all about ensuring your transport experience is as smooth as the open road. Alright, you're convinced that having the right paperwork is vital. But which documents exactly do you need? Let's break it down. Bill of lading, BOL. The bill of lading, often referred to as BOL, is your go-to document. It details the condition of your vehicle at both pickup and delivery points. In essence, it's a record of the entire transit journey, ensuring any pre-existing or new damages are duly noted. Photo documentation. Photos can speak 1,000 words, especially when it comes to your vehicle's condition. Before shipping, take clear, comprehensive shots from multiple angles. This provides visual evidence that complements your BOL. Proof of ownership. Your vehicle's title or registration acts as its birth certificate, confirming it's legitimately yours. Carriers may ask for it to ensure they're handling authentic transactions. Insurance proof. Protection first. Always have proof of both your vehicle's insurance and the carrier's insurance. It's a twofold safety net, ensuring that whatever happens, your asset is covered. Personal identification. This one's straightforward. Your driver's license or a government-issued ID ensures carriers know they're dealing with the rightful owner or authorized individual. Carrier agreements/contract. Before the rubber meets the road, you and your carrier enter into a binding agreement. This contract spells out the terms, obligations, and commitments. Always read, understand, and keep a copy. Special documents for certain vehicles. Got something unique to transport? Boats, oversized RVs, or heavy machinery might need additional documents, like watercraft registrations or special operating permits. Having the right paperwork isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about ensuring a seamless, secure journey for your cherished vehicle. With these documents in hand, you're not just road ready, you're road smart. Having the right documents is half the battle, but ensuring they're organized and accessible, that's where mastery comes in. Let's dive into some pro tips to make your auto transport experience even smoother. Digital versus physical copies. In today's digital age, having backup digital copies is a lifesaver. Scan your essential documents and save them on your phone or a cloud storage service. But remember, many carriers still require the original physical copies, so keep them handy. Checklists. There's something satisfying about ticking off items on a checklist, right? Before your transport date, create a checklist of all necessary documents. Communication with the carrier. Assumptions can lead to hiccups. Always keep the communication lines open with your carrier. Confirm which documents they require and any additional prerequisites specific to their service. Early preparation. Don't leave things to the last minute. Begin gathering and organizing your documents well in advance. This way, if you discover any discrepancies or missing papers, you have ample time to address them. Privacy matters. Always be vigilant about your personal information. Share only what's necessary and always inquire about the privacy measures your carrier has in place. When discarding old or redundant paperwork, ensure it's disposed of securely. Documents, checklists, preparation, they're not just tasks, they're the building blocks of peace of mind. With these best practices under your belt, you're not only prepared for the journey but also poised to enjoy it, knowing you've got everything covered. From the energetic streets of New York to the serene beaches of California, the vastness of our nation mirrors our enthusiasm for our vehicles. These aren't just assemblies of metal and rubber, they're embodiments of our memories, aspirations, and the engines of our life's pursuits. At TruckSpot Logistics, we value the trust you place in us and our transportation network. Safeguarding your precious vehicles during transit is our primary mission, and ensuring proper paperwork is a critical part of this endeavor. With the key insights and best practices we've shared, our goal is to pave your way to a worry-free, secure auto transport experience. Remember, being prepared is paramount for the road ahead, and TruckSpot Logistics is your guiding partner every step of the way. Thank you for joining us today. For more guidance and to start your vehicle transport journey, visit the TruckSpot Logistics website. Drive with caution, stay informed, and join us again on the road. TruckSpot Logistics, best deals for the best prices.